Understanding the phrase, bright side, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, the phrase, bright side. This is a common phrase in the English language, often used in everyday conversations. Understanding such phrases is crucial for English learners, as it helps in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive into the meaning and usage of bright side. Before we explore the idiomatic meaning, let's start with the basics. The word bright refers to something that is shining or full of light. Side refers to a particular aspect or part of something. When combined, bright side could literally mean the side of an object that is illuminated or well lit. However, in most contexts, this phrase isn't used in its literal sense. In everyday English, bright side is predominantly used as an idiom. When someone mentions the bright side of a situation, they are talking about the positive aspects or the more hopeful, optimistic part of that situation. It's a way to encourage looking at things from a more positive perspective, especially in challenging or difficult times. Example sentences: even though it's raining, the bright side is that we really needed the water for our garden. I know you're disappointed about missing the concert, but on the bright side, you can save that money for something else. Understanding how to use bright side in conversations can be a great asset. It shows an ability to see positivity, which is often appreciated in social interactions. Here are some tips. Use it to offer comfort. When someone is feeling down about a situation, pointing out the bright side can be a way to offer comfort. Combine it with humor. Sometimes, the phrase is used in a slightly humorous way to lighten the mood. Practice dialogue. Person A: I can't believe I failed the driving test. Person B: but on the bright side, you've had more practice than anyone else. You'll be the best driver among us. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, bright side. Remember, understanding such idiomatic expressions can really add depth to your English communication skills. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Stay positive and keep looking on the bright side.